We have corgis, and so to prevent all of their little shedding fur from accumulating, I got this little guy. Now, I have tried about a half a dozen different brands, robot vacuums, and as you can hear, this one is surprisingly quiet, even though the suction is about medium grade, I would say. I would not get the 22,000 suction power because that one is way too loud according to other reviews, but look at how fast this thing is. As you can see, it picks up speed when it's not on the carpet itself. And this is about, I would say 10 inches, and it can go under just fine. And as far as the docking station looks like, it has one of those kind where it dumps, so it comes back to here, and then it hooks up to this, and then it goes ring, and then everything will go right into there. It's fairly easy to dump out, just pull that out, pull that tab. I do not use the mop feature, simply because the main purpose of this is to mitigate these little fluff balls, these little corgis. And overall, I'm super impressed. It's especially satisfying to see it map the whole house and through LiDAR. The LiDAR detector is kind of that thing on top. I don't know if you can see that flashing at all, but that thing is spinning around and mapping out everything. Yeah, absolutely awesome, especially when you schedule it to go off at a certain time when it won't really bother you. It's recommended to, I would say every other day. You don't have to have it every day, but just these small little spot cleans will eventually save me so much time. The only thing that is kind of frustrating is, see that little QR code on top? That is not scannable. It's way too small. So you're gonna have to find the model of this thing on your Amazon listing where you bought it and then type it in manually. So it does not have the quick scan automatic setup because whoever printed these little stickers, the little QR code, it's way too small. So if you have an iPhone, you cannot set it up automatically, you have to do it manually. But just follow the instructions in the Roborock app and you'll be fine.